Just come down to have a look at that Lightport thing in Southport. It's only 2 miles away from where I live, obviously. Drove down. Could tell as I was getting closer and closer how busy it was going to be. Not just the people on the streets, more cars. You cannot get onto Lord Street in either direction. I thought it might just be heading north, but it's not. Heading southwards the same. Can't even drive past it to show you what it looks like. I got as far as Eastbank Street and I saw the big halo thing, the big rainbow, circle rainbow, but I had to turn back round because I just couldn't get onto Lord Street. It is absolutely heaving, and it's only on for 3 nights, and it's 4 hours per night. So I think tonight is a write-off. Tomorrow, probably the same thing. I'm going to have to go out on Monday and see if it's quieter. I've got the blue badge. I can park on the prom and then just have a quiet walk. Not tonight though. That is ridiculous. So busy. But it's great to see. Loads of people, loads of families. Kids with little light up wands or like Catherine wheels. Little windmilly Catherine wheel things on sticks, all lit up. Boss. And it will have brought money into the town as well. It's probably cost a few quid, like, but that's a lot of people. That is a lot of people. If they all put their hand in their pocket and just pay a couple of quid. There you go, more of them now. What looks like dad and 2 kids having a lightsaber fight at the side of the road. You love to see it. You love to see it. Anyway, I'm going to Tesco. As always. I've not had my walk. I'm going to have to go home and have a walk in the dark. In the actual dark. Ah well, as long as I get my steps in, that's all that matters. Prescriptions, got to get them as well. And food, I am absolutely hank. I'm basically wasting away. I'm not. 15 stone something. 96 kilos. Whatever that is in pounds. 200 and summit, isn't it? 205 or something. I do feel better at this weight. Well, I wouldn't mind slimming down a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Especially given the fact that my knees are absolutely knackered. Any weight saving will be a godsend there, wouldn't it? I would think. Plus, I'm not happy with my body shape. No, very few people are they? There's always something else. But I can't exercise. So I was used to being one kind of body shape, and now I'm not the same, man. It's horrible. One of these days. But you can't exactly go for a run when you can't walk, can you? And you can't go lifting weights when one of your arms doesn't work. What's a guy to do? What's a guy to do? calm down on the calories, I suppose, isn't it? Although I need stuff, I need calories. I need calories, I need protein. As my body tries to fix itself. It's not a good sitch, man, it's not a good sitch. But I'm stuck with it, so doesn't even matter. Now we're getting to the outskirts of Southport, where normally this would be one of the busiest roads, but it's not. Everyone's heading into town the other way. When we get to the roundabout in a minute, all be heading in that way. Back in towards Sowie, lad. Yeah, Monday. I'll go Monday. Try and start work a little bit earlier. So I've got a bit of spare time at the end. Can't see a bleeding thing as well. Everyone's got those stupid new headlights and none of them seem to be calibrated correctly. Constantly being blinded. Bring back proper headlights. There's some without any on at all. That's easily done as well, by the way. I know mine's on automatic now, so they're always on. As soon as I start the car, they're on. But there's so much light around these days. You don't need lights on your car to be able to drive, because it's all lit up. So it's easy just to accidentally not put them on. I know you shouldn't, you should be able to, as soon as you get in the car and it's dark, the first thing you should think of is, I need to switch my lights on. But it is so light, it's ridiculous. Everywhere you look. These new street lamps, they're so bright. It's like bloody permanent daytime, isn't it? No wonder the animals are knackered. Geese flying north for winter. Birds chirping at 9 o'clock at night when it's pitch black. Hedgehogs coming out during the day. I know that's it's a bad sign when you see hedgehogs during the day, isn't it? You know what I mean? It's all over the place. What's going on, lad? Come on, you van driving bastard. And another day where I haven't got a bleeding clue what I want to eat. Again, just go in. Just go in. See what they've got. Salad? Do I want a salad? Or do I want something hefty? Something full of heft. Oh, I don't know.